Okay, check this out. Owl Pickleball Paddle. Obviously, you can see the difference, but wait till you hear it. For comparison's sake, 16 millimeter Yola Perseus. Check it out. Self volleys right here. Bop, 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 bop. I'm barely hitting the ball. Now, the Owl. This is a Founders Edition. It's the first one. They have a bunch of different ones. Okay, let's serve and let me really hit the ball and you can hear the difference there. Oh, we need balls. Okay. 3 with the regular Perseus. Last one. Okay, now let's check out the Owl Paddle.
Let me know in the comments below if you can hear the difference. Now, here's a blooper.
And I'm hitting it the exact same hard. Exact same power. I'm hitting it the exact same way. All right, now let's check out the serve.